I have 30 amazing couples gift ideas for you, not only for Christmas, but for anniversary and just because. And for a point of reference, my husband and I have been together for almost 20 years, and we have 4 kids together, ages 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, as a bonus, my team and I have actually come up with 60 couples gift ideas for you, but that would be way too long of a YouTube video, so I'm gonna link that blog post in the description box below to AndreaJeanCleaning.com, starting with number 30. By the way, if you hear wind buzzing in the background, have no fear, it's like a snowstorm around here. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. All right, enough of that. Starting with number 30 here today, this connection lamp is amazing. Don't be scared by the price point. I just want to show you this because it's so cool. You know when you used to get a letter in the mail? Yeah, like you get really excited, you open up your mailbox, what's there? Yes. So basically what you do is when you touch this connection lamp, the person on the receiving end of it, it lights up on their end to let them know that you are thinking about them. What's really cool is that this comes with a set of 2. It's made in Wichita, Kansas. Not sure if that's how they talk in Kansas, but it comes in multiple colors. I love this idea. It's a great way to connect with someone other than a text message or social media post. And here's the bonus, it has over 200 colors on this baby. This toilet tag game is genius and hilarious. It's currently 40% off at the time of filming this. How great is this? You can just leave it in your bathroom and leave each other fun little notes. How about this one? Never forget how much little Johnny annoys you, because having kids is not mandatory. According to Kira, she says, more fun than you think. This is so much fun. It took my husband and I just about a year to complete. They are sad that it's over. In a number 28 spot is this beautiful charcuterie board. Now, if you're not super into cooking and crafting and that sort of thing in the kitchen, have no fear, my friend. This charcuterie board makes it easy for you to make it look like you put a lot of effort into whatever it is that you are creating. Now, you certainly could give this to a couple. You could use this on a date night. I love all the beautiful ideas. We got nuts in here, we got crackers in here, we got veggies and all the beautiful, delectable things that you could ever want on a charcuterie board. The best part about this, it's currently 29% off, and it is a #1 bestseller. And by the way, Kate loves this charcuterie board. She loves it due to its versatility. Number 27, we have our couples bathrobes. Such a great idea. Comfy, comfortable. I love the white. It's kind of spa hotel like, Mr. and Mrs. There's also a coupon for this, 20% off. When you are shopping Amazon, make sure that you hit that apply coupon. And anything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box below with the corresponding number that I'm showing you here today. 100% cotton spa bathrobe set, hotel robe. So cute. Here's the other nice thing is it comes in different colors. So if you don't love white for whatever reason, I totally get that. Look at all of these different color options. According to Julia, fits all, better than a hotel. Heck yes. In our number 26 spot, we have our stainless steel electric fondue set. This is also a #1 bestseller. The price point on this is really good considering all that you get. You get the sticks. I love that they have different colors on the sticks so that you don't confuse who has which stick. Not that it really matters when you're husband and wife, but anyway, if you're having couples over, you can use this for so many different things. You could use it for parties. I'm like really wanting some chocolate covered cherries at this point. According to Louisa, it is yummy, yummy. Number 25, we have our couples winter mittens. When I saw these, I thought, oh, that's crazy, but it's cute and clever all at the same time. Okay, here's the best part. You see this little looped one right here? Yeah, if you're going for a walk in the park, you can hold hands while your hands continue to stay warm, holding them, embracing them together. That's cute. It's kind of cheesy for the price point on this. I think it could kind of be a gag gift, but if you have someone that really loves to go and walks together and hold hands, then this would be the perfect gift for them. According to Debbie, she loved it. Our daughter and her fiance were super pleased to see this cute 3-piece mitten set. Number 24, this is a very interesting one as well, but if you like to get a little crafty, you like to get your hands involved, you're gonna love this Dylan and Rylie hand casting kit for couples. It has everything that you need. It has instructions about how to do it. You create the mold, you pour the cast, you reveal the cast, you let it dry, and then you get to decorate it. This is cute. It has over 2,000 ratings on it, 4.5 out of 5 stars. And according to C. Van Fleet, he or she says, order this one. I ordered a couple of these from other vendors and was not impressed, but this one rocked. And our number 23 spot is this bartender mixology kit. So if you do not know how to make drinks, have no fear, my friend. This one comes with exclusive recipe cards. You can have an amazing date night with your partner making drinks. You could make mocktails. I don't drink, so I certainly would love a fun mocktail. According to Anita, the wooden stand is well designed and the set is stainless steel and well made. In our number 22 spot, staying with the same theme, is Drunk in Love, original couples drinking card game. I thought this was really hilarious. If you look over here, it says, drink if you wear the pants. Oh, by the way, obsessed with Dunkin' coffee lately. Obsessed. All right, anyway, it says give your partner a lap dance, and if you don't, then you need to take 2 drinks. 1, 2. According to Belinda, so much fun. We played this game with another couple. I did take out a few of the cards that we didn't feel we should talk about unless we were playing alone. In our number 21 spot is our date night ideas card game. You don't even have to think about what you're going to be doing on date night because it has over 100,000 exciting date night ideas. I love this. You just pick a card and then that's what you're going to be doing for that evening. According to Mel, no more hours wasted trying to decide. And our number 20 spot is the Adventure Challenge book. 50 scratch off adventures and date night games for couples. Currently 17% off. This is also a great way to get the ball rolling, get creative, do things that you typically would not do. And according to William, he says, don't get in the date slumps. I love a good dinner date movie night, but this book offers so much more for any variety of adventure levels of comfort. And our number 19 spot is this quality weighted blanket that you can share with your partner or loved one. It is currently 9% off and it is a #1 best seller. It just makes you want to cozy up with that little extra weight on you. And according to Kevin, heavy, soft, and smothering you in a pleasant sleep. And our number 18 spot is this personalized throw blanket. We all love things that are personalized, and for the price point on this, I was very impressed. According to Debbie, it's soft, multi-use blanket. The seller was very understanding as I bought this as a wedding gift after late notice. They went above and beyond to make sure the product arrived on time for the wedding. So not only is the product super cute, but it's good to know that the seller is able to cooperate with you, and there are 6 design options. And our number 17 spot is this jigsaw puzzle. It's currently 15% off, and just look at how beautiful it is. I love this. Before kids, my husband and I used to do puzzles all the time, but I have a 2, 4, 6, and 8-year-old, and the 2-year-old and the 4-year-old would just mess everything up. But I definitely want to get back into doing puzzles with my partner because it's kind of fun to come back after a day and see who got a little bit further, and then you can kind of talk about your strategy behind it. Puzzles are excellent. According to this Amazon customer, this puzzle is nice quality and nice size. And our number 16 spot is this anniversary journal. How nice would it be after a long relationship to look back at all the things that you put in your journal? I love the quality on this. 189 pages to capture your love story from dating to 70 years. And according to Madre, they loved it. Coming in at number 15 is this JBL speaker clip. Now my husband and I own this and we absolutely love it. I use it in my everyday workouts, by the way. If you are brand new here, I do run a fitness channel here on YouTube that I will link in the description box below. But the quality on this JBL speaker is amazing. It's waterproof, 10 hours of playtime. I can attest to that. It's rare that I actually have to charge this. And according to Hannah, I'm getting these for everyone. And our number 15 spot is this beautiful dartboard set. How fun is it to get active with your significant other? And there's easy instructions on here. According to Mike, high quality products and superior customer service. What a difference a high quality board and darts can make. Over 2,000 ratings on this dartboard set. It also is currently 6% off and has 4.7 out of 5 stars. And our number 14 spot is this this personalized acrylic song with photo. Customizable. The best part about it is you get to pick the song that you put in here and the photo. How nice is it if you have a special song for a couple? Maybe it's the song that they danced to on their wedding that you could put in here. According to Andrea, my best friend, loved this. I was so excited to order this gift for my best friend. She and I are Disney obsessed, so they decided to add a photo of us on one of our favorite rides. Well worth the money. And our number 13 spot is this custom star map. This is so cute. Anytime you can customize something, the better. And it also has 3 different font choices on here. And according to Amy, I got this for my husband for his birthday this year. I did the day we met, and it is beyond amazing. And our number 12 spot is this mini projector. My friend, this is a #1 bestseller, and it has currently over 22,000 ratings on it. You can make your very own movie theater in your home. I mean, look at that. This family is so excited. They're playing video games together. So not only is it for a couple, it can be for a family as well. And according to Star, a must-have. Mirror your iPhone, Android, live TV, tablet, laptop, computer, PS4, Xbox on any wall. And in our number 11 spot is the Radiate Portable Campfire. Now I have one similar to this. This one is smaller and I actually prefer this one, I think. But it is a #1 bestseller. It's currently 7% off. It has over 2,000 ratings. Look at this. No cleanup is necessary. Flames in seconds. As easy to light as a candle. And it says right here, 3 hours of smokeless burn time. Who doesn't love that? And according to Evelyn here, a perfect little fire pit. She got this for her grandniece, but again, this would be great for couples as well. And in our number 10 spot, I'm so excited about this one. It is so cute. It's a backpack so that you can go picnicking with your loved one, your significant other. Such a cute idea. I have never seen these before, and the fact that this backpack you can put, if you want to do wine glasses, you certainly could do that with the different, I guess, cocktail gifts that I showed you previously. And it's over 4,000 ratings on it. The quality of this looks amazing. I mean, I'm ready to go on a picnic, although here in Minnesota it is cold and windy out. But according to Abigail, my go-to wedding gift. And in our number 9 spot is this massagers for neck and back with heat. I mean, I could use a little massaging right now. There is a 10% off coupon on this one right now. Over 50,000 ratings on this. I mean, just look at this cute couple. He's sitting there working on his computer and she's just, you know, eagerly watching him and smiling. I mean, she is ready to go. It has a carrying case. And then this one I love. She's just hanging out on a road trip, getting her massage and her deep tissue neck massage going. Everybody's happy on the road trip. And according to Jai Siva, excuse me if I'm mispronouncing that incorrectly, very effective for shoulder and neck pain. And in our number 8 spot is the Adventure Challenge Dinner Dates Couples Date Night Cookbook. You gotta love the titles here on Amazon, but it has 30 recipe and 30 adventures and date night games. It is currently 17% off. I mean, look at them. They look so cute. They're throwing lettuce around. What else do we have here? It tells you the time, the approximate price point to create this. You can put a picture in there. You can write about it. I mean, and at the end of the night, you and your significant other are going to be laying around on your countertops, just having the time of your life. I mean, this is my husband and I on the regular. And according to Ruth, so fun, such a cute book for couples. And in our number 7 spot, speaking of nuts, we have a nut gift basket. Now, I like this because it's an alternative to cookies and sweets, and it's nice to fill yourself up with something that's healthy and nutritious. It's fun to give those gifts, and it's very nice to receive those as well. And the best part, nuts tend to last relatively a long time compared to other things. And according to Kieran, a great gift idea. Gifted this to someone who cannot eat sweets, and I wanted to give them something edible all the same. And in our number 6 spot is this King Beer and Queen wine glass. Again, you can put anything in these containers. You don't necessarily have to put beer or wine, but that's fun too. The price point on this I thought was really great. It has over 1,000 ratings on it. I love it. 100% money back guaranteed. And I love the beautiful gift box that it comes with. Paola says, Perfect gift for a couple. I bought this for my brother and sister-in-law. It describes their preferred drink. Box came in on time and wrapped in plastic. Glass is placed securely in a cushion for protection. Beer glass is heavy and wine glass is sturdy. In our number 5 spot is this dad and mom mug. I think this is so cute. I mean, you can have your coffee together, the couples of your mom and your dad, and you can drink it together and stir with your cute little spoons. I mean, look at how happy are they. They're smiling. They're ready to go about their day. I love the gift package that it comes with. And then according to Denise, well liked by parents, love them, sent to daughter. The box is a great idea with the cloth and that it looked special. Sticking with the glass and drink theme, here we have the mom off duty and dad off duty wine and whiskey glass set. According to Maria, cute gift for parents to be. Glasses are as pictured and of good quality. They arrived in a box securely packaged. And I love the wine glass detail on it rather than more of a cylinder or a long stem, because a lot of times it's hard to watch the stem glasses in your dishwasher, but this is really cute. And in our number 3 spot is this tequila tasting gift set. Includes wooden flight board with removable cutting board. You get a lot in this gift set, but they do make it very apparent here that it does not contain the alcohol. They're not shipping you the tequila, but the gift set looks so cute. It's 10% off. Just look at these beautiful pictures. I mean, I'm not a tequila drinker, but if this arrived at my house, I would be very, very impressed. Cutting boards, ceramic dishes for salt trimming, lime, chili, lemon, smoked salts for rimming. And according to Dominique, great for tequila lovers, really nice set. This will be great if you're a tequila drinker. Comes with different salts to try out. This would be great for a party. And in our number 2 spot, you know I love this one, being an avid coffee drinker. It is your Airtight cold brew and iced coffee maker. Get this, over 12,000 ratings on this gadget right here. 70% less acidic, and look at this, fill, brew, serve. 3 easy steps. I love that. Fresh coffee every morning thanks to the Airtight design, and look at this, we got your bottom. And according to Guy, quality and solid product. I love my cold brew pitcher and filter. It's high quality and sturdy and a great addition to my kitchen. We use it every week to make our cold brew coffee and in the summer for our iced tea. We love it. And in our number 1 spot, who doesn't love traveling? We have our luggage tags and passport holder set. This is so cute. I mean, look at these couples right here. Thousands of happy couples because they have this luggage tag set and passport carrier. I'm just kidding, but they do look happy, and it's a fun way to share your travels together. It has almost 2,000 ratings on this gift set. I love this. You can get it personalized, which is amazing. Yes, look at this design for couples. He's even wearing a holiday hat to a lifetime of adventures together. Now, if you love these ideas and you want to see all 60, make sure you head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com, linked in that description box below. If you love all things Amazon gifts, click this video on screen now, or if you want to see some amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.